Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Correct answer, camel. What is the currency of Mexico? Correct answer, peso. Who invented the telephone? Correct answer, Alexander Graham Bell. What is the capital of South Africa? Correct answer, Pretoria. Which country has the highest waterfall in the world? Correct answer, Venezuela. What is the national tree of India? Correct answer, banyan. What is the hardest natural substance on earth? Correct answer, diamond. Which is the fastest land animal? Correct answer, cheetah. What is the scientific name of the human brain? Correct answer, encephalon. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Correct answer, carbon dioxide. Who wrote the book Origin of Species? Correct answer, Charles Darwin. What is the color of the sun as seen from space? Correct answer, white. Who was the first woman to win a Olympic gold medal? Correct answer, Charlotte Cooper. What is the chemical symbol for lead? Correct answer, Pb. What is the tallest animal in the world? Correct answer, giraffe. What is the smallest country in the world by area? Correct answer, Vatican City. What is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Correct answer, Lake Superior. Who discovered radioactivity? Correct answer, Henry Becquerel. What is the national fruit of India? Correct answer, mango. Which part of the human body produces insulin? Correct answer, pancreas. Which planet is known as the red planet? Correct answer, Mars. What is the capital of Argentina? Correct answer, Buenos Aires. What is the largest bird in the world? Correct answer, ostrich. Which gas is used in neon light? Correct answer, neon. Which was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? Correct answer, Abhinav Bindra. What is the name of the boundary between India and Pakistan? Correct answer, Red Cliff Line. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Correct answer, mercury. What is the square root of 144? Correct answer, 12. What is the largest organ inside the human body? Correct answer, liver. What is the speed of light in vacuum? Correct answer, 299,792 km per second. Which planet has the most moon? Correct answer, Saturn. Who was the first woman to go into space? Correct answer, Valentina Tereshkova. What is the currency of Russia? Correct answer, ruble. What is the study of fungi called? Correct answer, mythology. Which country is known as the pearl of the Indian Ocean? Correct answer, Sri Lanka. Who is the Greek god of war? Correct answer, Ares. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? Correct answer, Angel Falls. What is the capital of Portugal? Correct answer, Lisbon. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Correct answer, vitamin D. What is the largest volcano in the world? Correct answer, Mauna Loa. Thank you.